सर यू सर आप छोड़ो नहीं।
Now it has started, na?
यस सर।
Sairam Niyati. So I was asking, have you seen the syllabus shared on your class group?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस
Okay.
सर।
Okay. Does somebody have that right now?
सर
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So can you read it for me? One student, this Dhakar. I saw one
Yes, sir.
Dhakar.
Yes, sir.
Who is this? Just now.
Yes, sir. I am.
That boy. What's your name? No, not you. Sanjay Dhakar.
Yes,
Sanjay
sir.
Dhakar. Unmute yourself. Turn your camera on and read out the syllabus.
Yes. Yes. Sir, 4 chapters are coming from Honeydew. They're the best Christmas present in the world. The tsunami, glimpse of past, or Bipin Chaudhary's lapse of memory, and poem, the advocate, geography lesson, Macavity, the last bargain. And 3 chapters are coming from the 8th supplementary reader.
Okay.
How the camel got his hand.
Just a minute. Wait. Okay. Chal, continue. Finish reading.
And second chapter of supplementary is children at work, and third is the shellfish giant. And from grammar, all the parts of speech and sentence, and direct and indirect speech. And in writing, the letter to editor and story writing. That's it, sir.
Okay. Okay. So out of all this, how much is completed and how much is remaining? Let me know. I would like to talk to Niyati Prajapati.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Niyati, I'm talking to you. Out of this syllabus remaining, let me know. See, there are
Sir,
4
all
lessons
the
in
chapters,
your
sir?
literature book.
Yes, sir.
So are all these lessons completed?
Yes, sir.
Whatever is completed, put a tick mark on that and read the name so that I may be clear. Read the names,
Honeydew,
those which are completed.
the best Christmas present in the world, the tsunami, glimpses of the past, Bipin Chaudhary, lapse of memory, the ant in the cricket, geography lesson, Macavity, the last bargain, how the camel got. Yes,
This is
sir.
done. Tsunami is done. Okay. Bargain is not done. Someone has just now written last bargain is not done.
सर इट्स कंप्लीटेड।
And you
सर
read
आपने
the
इसे
name.
कंप्लीट करवाया था।
It is
सर आपने करवाया
completed.
था उससे तो पूरा।
Sir,
In the
Mayank
chat
Sahu
section, somebody has written.
Yes, sir. It is completed.
सर आपने टाटा क्लास एच पे उसकी वीडियो भी शेयर की थी।
Yes,
Then
sir.
who wrote?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Mayank Sahu.
Ankush and
It is
Mayank Sahu.
completed.
Sir, Ankush
Okay,
and
okay,
Mayank
okay.
Sahu.
Okay. Then don't confuse me, beta. Somebody just now wrote that it is not completed. Okay. What does rest of the class has to say?
Sir, it is
सर ऑल
completed.
completed।
Rest of the class says
Sir,
it has been
completed.
done. This is the last poem that
Yes,
we have
sir.
completed. Yes, Niyati beta. So lessons and poems are done. What about the supplementary reader lessons that are mentioned in the syllabus?
Sir, completed. How the camel got his hump, children at
Actually,
the work, the shelf is giant.
supplement, in supplementary reader, everything is done. All the lessons were given and all the presentations were made. Stories are known to you.
अरे एक
Sir,
छोटा
but
सा
some
डाउट है
students. Yes, sir.
एक छोटा सा डाउट है
Okay. Now, what
सर एक
remains
छोटा सा
is
डाउट है
grammar part and writing part. What?
सर इस बार से हाफ ईयरली 40 मार्क्स से
Okay,
क्यों हो
these
रहे
are
हैं 40 मार्क्स से क्यों हो रहे हैं इस बार?
completed. No, now I'm coming to grammar and writing section. So, what are the topics of grammar? As you just read, one is parts of speech and
Sentence,
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
direct and indirect.
Sentences. Direct and indirect.
बोलो बोलो. What's your doubt?
Direct and
The sentences.
indirect speech.
Parts of
हाँ
speech.
बोलो. What is your
direct
doubt?
अरे बोलने दे तब तो बोलूंगा सर इस बार सर हाफ ईयरली सिर्फ 40 मार्क्स से क्यों हो रहे हैं हेलो 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 सर
बेटा
Sir, I'm reading leave.
one thing is because this is all online. Now there are many challenges in online exam. Okay. हाँ. Okay. Parts of speech. हाँ.
Sentence.
नहीं रुक जा तू रुक जा तू अखिल रुक जा 2 मिनट बेटा. अखिल रुक जा. एक बार हमें पूरी क्लास से बात कर है ना. अखिल वेट वेट. अखिल वेट अ मिनट. आई एम टॉकिंग.
सर मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा हूँ सर
There is double audio here. There is double. Students are Akhil is speaking at a different pace. Who is talking to me?
Sir Sanjay. Sir Sanjay.
Double dual audio here.
मीटिंग छोड़ दी
सर को तेरी आवाज लेट जा रही थी
मैं भाई दो
उसकी मर्जी
मैं दो जगह पे दिख रहा है
Sir, मैं मीटिंग लीव कर दी क्या?
हाँ भाई हाँ
सर की नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम थी शायद
सर का वो नेटवर्क
भाई मैं
प्रॉब्लम है
गेट पे क्यों बैठा है?
भाई रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है भाई
तू बोल पहले ना।
बोलो
फिर मैं गेट पे
सायराम सर
साईराम सर
सायराम सर.
हाय राम सर
Sairam, sir.
साईराम सर
ऐसा लगता है प्रॉब्लम इज एट माय एंड. हाँ, Sai Ram, I feel that the problem is at my end. कुछ गड़बड़ यहाँ मेरी तरफ से हो रही है. साई राम, अभी मेरी आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir. आ रही है.
यस सर आ रही है.
Yes, sir.
I'll try to join it from some other device. आ रही है आवाज?
यस सर.
नहीं, बट
आवाज आ रही है
मेरे
अच्छे से.
यहाँ पे से 2 बार
अच्छे
डिस्कनेक्ट
से
हो
आ रही
चुका है. और जब आप लोग रेस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हो तो मेरे क्वेश्चन पूछने के काफी देर बाद आप लोग रेस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हो. मतलब बीच में जो ड्यूरेशन है ना ऑफ रीचिंग माय वॉइस टू यू इज टू मच. आई एम ट्राइंग टू
सर आपका वीडियो भी ब्लरी आ रहा है.
connect it with a different internet. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work, आ रही है अच्छे से आ रही है. चलो तो फिर अभी जैसे चल रहा है चलने देते हैं. फिर अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगी तो मैं फिर दूसरे डिवाइस पे करूंगा इसको कनेक्ट. ओके, अभी मैं इसको छोड़ देता हूँ. हाँ, ग्रामर आई वाज आस्किंग.
मीटिंग सर ने छोड़ दी.
वापस लेफ्ट हो गए सर.
सर की नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम में शायद.
साईराम सर.
साईराम सर.
सर ने फोन किया.
साईराम सर.
साईराम सर.
इसमें मुझे चैट दिखाई दे रहा है. यस, आपका चैट मुझे इसमें टैब में दिखाई दे
साईराम
रहा है.
सर.
हाँ, साईराम बेटा, साईराम. कुछ
Yes.
ठीक है, हम लोग इससे कोशिश करते हैं. हम लोग थोड़ी कोशिश इससे कर लेते हैं अगर यहाँ से चल रहा है तो. तो चलो, इसके ऊपर फिर मैं कुछ शेयर नहीं कर पाऊंगा, लेकिन रिकॉर्डिंग चालू है. रिकॉर्डिंग इज ऑन. अनिकेत अटेंडेंस ले लेना बेटा, फिर मैं क्योंकि टैब में आ गया हूँ तो टैब में अटेंडेंस नहीं हो पाएगी. अनिकेत.
ओके सर. यस सर.
है ना, तू अटेंडेंस कर लेना क्योंकि मैंने इधर से डेस्कटॉप पे बंद कर दिया है इसको. ठीक है
सर.
हाँ जी.
सर एक डाउट है.
हाँ, बोल बोल.
सर जो सेंटेंसेस आएंगे सर जो सेंटेंसेस आएंगे वो किस फॉर्म में आएंगे सर, कि हमें सब बताना होगा कि असर्टिव है, या फिर सर सेंटेंस मेक करना होगा सर जो आप दोगे?
दोनों बातें हो सकती हैं बेटा, दोनों बातें हो सकती है और इसके अलावा भी कुछ एक्स्ट्रा भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो पूरी क्लास को समझना है. इफ आई एम ऑडिबल टू एवरीवन, सारे बच्चे ध्यान से सुन लो. जब हम सेंटेंसेस की बात कर रहे हैं तो क्योंकि इट वाज ऑलरेडी टोल्ड अर्लियर दैट देयर विल बी इंटीग्रेटेड ग्रामर एक्सरसाइज. The questions will be integrated. Integrated, do you understand what are integrated questions?
Yes, sir.
A question,
Yes,
a
sir.
question that contains not only a problem, a question based on one topic of grammar, but that includes many concepts of grammar. That is integrated question. Do you understand this thing? इतना समझते हैं ना आप लोग, है ना? ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
तो अभी when you get sentence, we are not going to stick on the simple definition of sentence. For explaining in the class, these are the topics for explanation in the class, discussion in the class, that what are sentences, how many types of sentences are there, how do we construct sentences. But when you get a question in examination, that will be very practical. Now, how are we going to ask? Have you done the exercise of jumbled sentences in previous classes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That also is based on so that also is based on sentences. Okay, so that may be asked. We are not going to write a sentence and ask you that identify whether it is an assertive sentence or a negative or a double negative or an interrogative or what is that. This you already know. But if I give you a sentence with an error in it, and if I ask you, if I expect from you to find out the error in that sentence and correct it. So now that is the integrated approach of asking questions based on sentences. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know, so
Yes, sir.
who was asking me about sentences? Shahid? Who was that boy?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to
Yes,
you,
sir.
beta?
Shahid.
The one who was asking, the boy who was
Yes,
asking
sir.
the question. Clear? When topics are there like parts of speech includes nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections, everything. Parts of speech contain everything. Now, what does it mean? The question will be in such a way that the error or the missing word or the gap or the jumbled sentence includes these things. We are not going to separately ask a question based on noun. We are not going to ask a separate question based on pronoun or adverb or adjective. Okay. We will ask a question where these things will be somewhere included in the question. So that will be more practical functional question. Such exercise, such questions are called integrated. Okay. So you don't bother about, don't worry and don't think too much about what is the topic. These topics are for explanation in the class, for clearing the concept of based on these topics. We shall do all that in class. But when it comes in examination, it will be asked in this way. I'll give you some samples. I'll give you some examples while explaining in the class. Okay. I shall share how it is going to be asked. I hope I have made it clear. If there is any other question you may ask, or else let us begin with some topic. Shall I start? If you don't have questions.
Yes.
Somebody has written.
Yes, sir.
Somebody wants to ask something or is saying, let me check. Okay. I have just created a group. The purpose is if you send any assignment or any homework, PDF of the homework or any question in your class group, what happens? There are so many things in that. So sometimes it is missed. If you send, see, in future, if an assignment is given or if a homework is to be submitted, if you submit that here in this particular group, everything will be saved at one place. Okay. And if it is shared in that common group of the class, one student shares his assignment of English, then maybe two students share their assignments of some other subject, and then one student once again shares an assignment of English. So probably while picking up, while saving all those in my computer, I may miss one or two things because there will be so many things. Do you understand this? If in this group only English assignments are submitted, then all will be saved at one place. There is no question of missing anything. This is the purpose of creating the group. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And have I posted the PDF of textbook, both textbooks, all the lessons?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just now, before this class, I have posted. Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
have sent all that. So those who do not have textbooks can use that PDF of textbook, NCERT textbook. Okay. And other than this, if you have questions, you can put there. If you want to know something, you can put there. It will directly come to me in the class group, because all 6 subjects are there and all the students are there. So things get mixed up.
सर जो हमने कॉपीज में क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करे हैं वो भी उसकी भी पीडीएफ बना के भेजने हैं?
हाँ जी, अभी ये मैंने नहीं कहा है कि अभी भेजो, आप बनाते रहो, उसको कंप्लीट करके रखो, और जब भी जरूरत पड़ेगी मैं आपसे बोलूंगा, आप उसको पूरा स्कैन करके उसको पीडीएफ बना के भेज देना। और जितना अभी तक आपका हो चुका है, अगर आपने उसको स्कैन करके पीडीएफ बना सकते हो तो आप अभी भी भेज सकते हो उसको। वो सेपरेट ग्रुप होने का यही बेनिफिट है कि आप उसको कभी भी भेजोगे तो वो उसके अंदर रहेगा, और ऑन विच डेट यू आर सबमिटिंग, द डेट विल बी देयर, date will automatically be there. Okay, so now if you send or submit something over there, there won't be any problem. If you have completed your notebooks, if you have scanned them, converted that into PDF, very good, send it.
सर आपने तो 2 डिवाइसेस से ज्वाइन किया है।
हाँ बेटा,
सर आपने
दूसरे
सर
device
पहले
से-
आप सर मैं सर आपको आपके पर्सनल पे भेज सकता हूँ?
इसमें भेजो बेटा, इसमें जो मैंने अभी नया ग्रुप क्रिएट किया ना इंग्लिश के लिए और होल क्लास, ठीक है, उसके अंदर भेजो। नथिंग पर्सनल, एवरीथिंग इज पब्लिक। ठीक है, पर्सनल पे मैं तब इसलिए मंगा रहा था, जब पहले वाले असाइनमेंट्स में आप लोगों से सबमिट करने को बोलता था, वही होता था कि क्लास ग्रुप में बहुत ज्यादा सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के बीच में चीजें मिक्सअप होती थी, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा था। लेकिन अब क्योंकि मैंने इंग्लिश के लिए एक बनाया है तो आप उसके अंदर डाल सकते हो। ओके, चलो, पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच। I want one student, not Akhil, not Niyati, and not Chahid. Somebody else, some new child. Who will respond? Who will speak?
Sir, Palak.
Palak M. Palak M means Palak Modi?
Nahi.
Okay, wait, leave it. Leave it. I thought I heard this name before. Palak. Okay, beta. Do one thing. First thing, tell me how many parts of speech are there?
Sir, 8.
8. Very nice. Can you name them?
Yes, sir. Conjunction, prepositions, noun, pronoun, adjective, verb.
Yes.
Conjunction, preposition, verb.
Can some other girl help her? Girl only, not boy.
Sir, may I, Niyati?
Sir, Rishika.
Not Niyati. What? Who wants to tell?
Rishika.
Yes, beta. Rashika, tell.
Adverb.
Adverb. And Rashika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell all 8 in order, in sequence once again.
Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, prepositions.
So, adjective and interjection.
Adjective.
Okay. How many of you have Diksha app in your mobiles?
Sir,
मेरे पास
दीक्षा
था सर, लेकिन डिलीट कर दिया मैंने।
sir, I have.
हाँ, मेरे पास है।
Okay. Those who have, good. Those who don't have, may try to download it, because you will get a lot of content in that. So, to take it in order, the first thing is noun. Okay. Second thing is pronoun. Third thing is adjective. Fourth thing is verb. Fifth thing is adverb. Now, in many books, at many places, you will see that third thing is verb. Okay. At many places, you will see at third number they have written verb, but I said adjective and then verb and then adverb. Okay. There is a reason, I'll tell you. So, verb, adverb, and then comes prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Now, I would like to talk to roll number 1 of your class. Who is that?
वो आता ही नहीं है कभी भी सर, वो अपना स्कूल चेंज कर लिया है।
He is not present. Sir,
fine,
Aditya
leave it.
God.
सर
चलो,
उसने
leave
स्कूटी
it.
चेंज कर लिया अब।
जाने दो बेटा, जो क्लास में नहीं है अभी हम उसके बारे में कैसे बात कर सकते हैं? जो क्लास में है मैं उनसे बात कर रहा हूँ।
तो सर अखिल,
तो आई टॉक टू मुस्कान धाकड़. मुस्कान धाकड़, इज शी देयर? Is Muskan Dhakar there?
यस सर।
Yes, beta. Tell me, the first thing is noun. Okay. Don't tell me the definition of noun. Just tell me what are nouns. What are nouns?
सर नेम, प्लेस।
Okay. Do you mean to say all names are nouns? Muskan? Am I correct if I say all names are nouns?
नो सर।
No. All names are not nouns? Tell me a name that is not a noun. Rest of the class, now question for everyone. Am I right if I say? Am I right if I say all names are nouns?
Yes, sir.
All names.
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Okay. Okay. Now, what do you mean by names? What do you mean by names?
Sir, any word by which we call someone or something.
Okay. To call somebody, fine. Or to
सर टू एड्रेस समवन सर।
I have one object in my hand. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
can
sir.
see this object. This is a thing. This is something which we use to navigate a pointer on the computer screen. This is something that we use to navigate our pointer on the computer screen. This is that thing. Okay. Now, if I have this and Niyati wants this from me, what will Niyati say? Niyati will say, sir, you have an object that you connect to the computer with the help of which you navigate the pointer on the screen. Can you please give it to me for a day? She will ask like this. Instead, we all have chosen a word. We all have chosen a word, standardized a word with which, whenever we use that word, we identify this thing. And what is that word?
माउस।
Mouse.
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 Okay. Now, if I have one more thing, Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
An object with, if it is visible, I don't know. Yes, it is visible. An object with a circular dial in front with 12 numbers written in it, with 3 hands constantly moving. Okay, with 3 hands constantly moving and showing time. Okay.
The
Now,
clock.
if Chahit wants to have this from me, okay, if Chahit wants to have this from me, what will he say? Sir, you have an object that is some semi-spherical shape, yellow in color, with white front and a rounded dial with 12 numbers written in it, and with 3 hands that move constantly and that show time, and that you purchased from somewhere out of India. Can you give it to me? Instead of saying all this, he decided to say, sir, can you give me your watch, please? Which one is easier? Which one is convenient?
Second one. Second one.
Second one.
Second one.
So, for the convenience of identifying things, we, when I say we, I'm talking of whole humanity. We all started deciding, giving, assigning, allotting some words to everything. Words to everything, with the help of which we can identify. If I say Chahid, नाम ही याद नहीं आता टाइम पे मुझे बहुत सारे. If I say Chahid, yes. If I say Aniket, these are words. Aniketchahit. These are just words. But these are the words with the help of which we identify these boys. So the words used for identification of anything are all names. And all these names are nouns. Now there are many types, many kinds of nouns. But am I clear with what is noun?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see, when I said anything is identified, now feelings are also identified with the help of nouns. Feelings are also identified with the help of nouns. Okay. Like, if you are happy, okay, what feeling is that of? If you are happy, what feeling is that of being happy? Acha, let me ask it once again.
Sir, happiness.
In what? Yes? Okay.
Sir, happiness.
Happiness. You are in the state of happiness. Okay. Now, if Akhil is sitting there and got his answer correct, he's relaxed. He's relaxed. In what state he is? He is in the state of
Relaxation.
Relaxation.
These are also nouns. These are also nouns. The man in the last bargain wanted to be free. when he met the boy, when he met the child who did not pay anything, but he gave him happiness. In what state that man was?
Sir, relaxation.
Happiness.
Okay, he was in the state of relaxation, happiness. But
Independent.
according to the poem, he
Independent.
wanted to be free. So, see, he wanted to be free, and what did he attain?
Freshness.
What did he attain?
Enlightenment.
Freedom. Chalo, let me tell you. He wanted to be free, and finally he attained freedom. So freedom is?
Noun.
Freedom is a noun. So there may be things that you cannot see, touch, but those are your feelings. Okay, that may be your state. Now getting ahead, if I say, whose name should I use? Offer me your name.
So Prakhar. Prakhar.
The first name I heard is Prakhar Modi.
So Ved.
No, but first I heard was Prakhar. Chalo, Ved's name I'll use in next example. Prakhar Modi. Listen to what I'm telling. Prakhar Modi wanted to go to Bhopal yesterday. So Prakhar Modi took a leave from the school, and Prakhar Modi with his parents hired a car, and Prakhar Modi started for Bhopal early in the morning at 6 a.m. Then Prakhar Modi reached Bhopal at 9 a.m. Then Prakhar Modi and all his family members had their breakfast. Then Prakhar Modi went to the wherever, shopping complex, market, whatever Prakhar Modi wanted to buy. Prakhar Modi purchased so many things at Bhopal, and then Prakhar Modi took lunch at about 1 p.m. Then Prakhar Modi finished remaining things at Bhopal, and then Prakhar Modi started from Bhopal at 5 p.m. and Prakhar Modi reached his home at 8 p.m. When I said all this, did you like this?
No.
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
You did not like. Why did you not like this?
So because you are repeating Prakhar Modi.
Sir, one name every time.
Yes, sir.
And sir is too long.
Yes, I was repeating Prakhar Modi's name. Was it necessary?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
It was
sir.
not necessary. So this unnecessary repetition, is causing some trouble to the ears of the listeners, right? You were all the listeners and you did not like this. What should I have done?
Sir, he. Sir, you should put he.
Sir, you should use he.
E, sir. H-E.
Yes. I should have used he
Sir, you again
instead of
joined from two IDs.
yes. Instead, I should have used he in place of Prakhar Modi, and in place of Bhopal again and again, I should have used there. Got it? So what is he? He is a pronoun. There is a pronoun. So such words which are used instead of noun are all pronouns. Chalo, today there were some problems earlier, and that's why we could begin late. We couldn't finish enough things, but because it is time up, so let us stop. In the next class, we shall continue this. And I expect you to read parts of speech and direct and indirect narration, because in the next class, we shall be doing both of these things. Okay. And I expect some students, Niyati and Akhil, to find out some good YouTube videos.
Sir, I have
Sir,
found.
about this,
Sir, can I send link?
Sir, I have also found of indirect speech.
Sir, may I, sir? May I
Sir, may I
take the
send?
responsibility?
One by one. Niyati,
Sir,
what
may
are
I,
you saying?
Rishika?
Sir,
Hmm.
yes, sir. Sir, I have found
Niyati, you
out a video.
Okay, fine. We need hardly 1 or 2 videos. Okay, I'll be sharing one from here. If you find something, that can also be shared. Okay, Akhil will also find one. He may share.
okay, sir.
Chalo.
Okay, sir.
So now it's time. Already time up. So you can say Sairam and leave the class.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,